Welcome. So in grade 12, we have this type of loan problems, right? So if you haven't subscribed, please start by subscribing, following, liking, sharing, and also commenting what you're thinking. So this is the problem that we're having. They said Tsepo takes a loan over 20 years to buy a house that cost 1.5 million. So our loan is cost to 1.5 million, right? And then they said calculate the monthly installment if interest is charged at 10.5% per annum compounded monthly. So he took out the loan for 20 years and is paying monthly installments. So it means that we need to see how many months are there in 20 years. So we say 20 multiplied by 12, which we get 240 payments, right? And they said you must calculate his monthly payment. So to calculate the monthly payment, we use the formula of present value. So we say that present value is equals to x, and then 1 minus 1 plus I to the power negative n, and then all over the interest. So the present value, it is 1.5 million being equals to x. We are looking for that. So 1 minus 1 plus 0.105. This is our interest. They gave us that the interest, it is 10.5%, right? So it is like that, divided by 12, because it is compounded monthly, to the power negative 240, right? All over the interest again, which is 0.105 divided by 12, like that. So here is just a matter of simplifying and multiplying out. I don't know if it is worth it that I show you, but if you want to solve for this, it means that we can multiply both sides by this. So it means that this will be multiplied by 0.105 over 12. It means that this side it will cancel, and we're going to divide by this whole thing. So this whole situation, it is saying 1 minus 1 plus 0.105 divided by 12 to the power negative 240. So this is what we are going to do to find the value of x. So it means that our x finally becomes 14,975.70 rand. So this is the amount that he was paying every month, right? So let's just write it there. So he was paying, the x was equals to 14,975.70. This is the amount that he was paying every month. So now we're having the second part of the question that is saying calculate the outstanding balance immediately after the 1/44th payment was made. I love this kind of problems because they give me a bit of headache. I love them. So I will show you two ways in which you can calculate the balance outstanding, right? Just take a look at what you're going to do now, right? So the first one, it says that balance outstanding is equals to x, and then we say 1 minus 1 plus the interest, and then minus n minus k. So k, it is representing the payments that are already made. These are payments that are already made, and these are the payments to pay back the total loan. So N is standing for 240, and then K is standing for 144, because they said we made already 144 payments. So that's how you can use this, and then like that. So it means that our balance outstanding according to this, we saw that X was 14,975.70, and then we can have 1 minus 1 plus 0.105 over 12, and then minus 240 minus 144, like that. And this is all over 0.105 over 12. And when you solve everything inside the calculator, if you punch everything inside the calculator, we'll find that our balance outstanding according to this was equals to 969,927 rand and 74 cents, like that. This is what you are going to find if we use this as our formula to calculate the balance outstanding. Can you see that? So this is one way you can use to calculate the balance outstanding. So let me show you the second way, which is a bit complicated but so much enjoyable to work with. It will give you joy. If you master this, you just love financial mathematics. So let's see now. So the other way that you can use your loan against your monthly payments. So now we are using the loan that we took against our monthly payments. So we are going to accumulate, or we are going to find the accumulated amount of this loan after 144 payments, and we are going to take this monthly payment as our future value, and we are going to see how much we are having after 144 payments, and then we can subtract the two. So what I'm trying to say is this: we are just going to do something like this, which is simple in this way. So it means that our balance outstanding is equals to the loan that is growing. So this is 1 plus I to the power K, which are the payments that are already made, subtracting the future value of this amount, which is X, 1 plus I to the power K, the number of payments already made at this time, minus 1 all over I. So putting every detail, it means that our balance outstanding now becomes the loan that we took is 1.5 million, 1 plus the interest, which is 0.105 divided by 12 to the power payments already made, they are 144, right? So this will stay for that long, and then we are going to say subtracting X, which is the amount of payments monthly. So this is 14975.70, and then 1 plus the interest, which is 0.105 divided by 12 to the power 144, and then minus 1 all over 0.105 divided by 12. And when we punch this whole thing inside your calculator, you are going to find that your balance outstanding, it is 969,927.14. So this is the balance outstanding after 144 payments were made. So that one it was saying 0.74, and this one is saying 0.14. I'm sure it's pretty much because of rounding off when you're finding our value of X there. But anyhow, anyway, this is how you deal with this. I hope you really enjoyed this, and I hope you really got the insight on how you can solve this. And I hope that you also enjoyed how you came to find out how to find your things, right? So having said that, I'll see you on the next one. Please like, share, subscribe, and follow. See you on the next one.